All right, you guys, this is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex, and I got my eye on this sexy little trade right here. You see that was a winner, small winner, 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 chicken dinner, winner, and here we go. It's already making some pips, but, and this is a live account right here. This particular trade, if you're in my group, you already know, let me go, you already should know exactly what I'm looking at on this trade if you're in my group, some of you guys, you're buying indicators and you're not being taught. So one of the things I teach my students, which I'm going to walk through this trade right now as we speak, I see the initial impulse move, and you'll learn that in class when you come, after you sign up. The impulse move has happened. So I see a slant pattern has taken place. And then I also see that it stopped right here, right about there. So me personally, I'm going to set a pending order, and if you come to class, I can teach you how to do pending orders. Okay, so I'm going to set a pending order just in case I'm wrong, and I'm going to do what's called a sell stop order. So if the price continues to drop faster than what I think, then it'll come on through and pick up my order here. So I'll set my pending order at 117.232. 117.232. Okay. 117.232. And I'll put a stop on there. Let's just do right about there above this area here. 117.519. 117.519. Okay. So now I'm going to place that order and boom. All right. So if I'm incorrect and the price just drops quickly and suddenly, then it'll pick up my order right here. My stop loss is right there. And again, this is a live account. However, as I said, I really think that this may do a short pullback because it did the initial impulse move. And let me remove this. It did the initial impulse move. It's created the slant pattern, which I teach in class all the time, a very famous pattern. So I think that after the impulse move and this slant, that it should pull back up. It may pull back. I'm hoping that it will pull back up into this area here, somewhere around up in this area, or maybe it'll be even more blessed if it retests up to there. But we'll see. The Asian session is coming to a close. London has opened about 25 minutes ago. So the Asian session closes in about 35 minutes. And so I'll sit here and wait and see, and we'll check back on it in a little bit. But either way it goes, if I'm incorrect, again, if this order blasts right on through, then I'm still okay. I got my pending order in place to come and get me, come and get this money. I want that money. And there we go. Okay, so I'll pause it and we'll come back. By the way, if you haven't gotten a scanner, you're doing yourself a great disservice. Here's the scanner. I'm still waiting, but as you can see, we entered on the 15-minute, I'm waiting on that pullback, but as you can see, even the scanner is saying on the 30-minute now that voila, there it is. It's also saying the 30 minutes saying down, and the 15-minute, as I said, is bouncing up. I'm waiting for this pullback. Even the 30-minute, though, is confirming that this thing is about to drop. But also, it made a call on the USD Swiss, and as you can see, that was there. And it's making a call on the Euro USD, sorry. So pretty late here. So let me put that on this period that I have it set on. And as you can see, that was the drop on that one. Okay. So anyway, if you haven't gotten a scanner, man, you're missing out. So anyway, going back to our trade, as you can see, clearly the 30 minutes says it's a wrap. It's ready to go. So, let's just wait and let it do what it do. Okay, so again, I have my pending order here. I'm hoping that it'll pull back up a little bit more up into this area, somewhere up in here. I like precision to my own detriment that it's only about 7 or 8 pips, maybe 10 pips. Even here, that's 16 pips. So, I mean, what should you do? Well, you can nibble. That's what you can do. You can nibble on the position. And if it pumps back up higher, then you're good. If not, then okay. But let me nibble on it. Okay, so I got a position in there, as you can see. Still got my other position here. All right. So we'll see. Let that play on out. Yep. And just put it a little bit right there. Feel good and warm and fuzzy. All of them can be moved to the same area. And there we go. All right. So I still think, like I said, I think it's going to pull back up. But again, you know, I look for precision. Either way it goes, I know this thing is going down, but you know, because as you can see from the 30, it's very clear. Those students who's in the class, you know exactly what I'm looking at. But again, I'm looking for precision, All right. So again, I'll pause this video and come back. But I just wanted to show you the scanner as well, because that thing is firing off some signals as well. So anyway, we'll see. Okay. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I'm so excited to show this live on camera. Did I not tell you guys that I didn't want to go full force on this trade? Why? Because I believed that it was going to do what? Pull back. And here it is, the slant pattern, which I teach in class. You'll learn this. Students, you should already know this. Oh, there goes, just look at that. Dashboard is flashing signals. There it is. Look at that. Dashboard is flashing signals. But anyway, we're not here for that right now. The point is that it's doing exactly as anticipated. And you guys are going to be taught how to look at charts properly. This is one of the biggest problems in the Forex industry. Everybody's buying indicators, but they're not understanding how things work. So I'm telling you guys, you can buy the simplicity system, but please, I'm begging you, come to class so I can teach you these things so you'll understand how the markets are moving, why they're moving, and most importantly, when they're moving. I know that the market is doing this because it's a certain time. There's a timing that's going on. So I'm going to add to this position here. Boom. So I'm going back in. Yes, as you can see, I'm upside down in pips because I just entered and you got the spreads. This is for brand new people. The spread is the price that you pay your broker for the trade. So as you can see, my broker is charging me 3 pips per trade. So I already have 2 positions in. This is that pending order right here. So with the 3 positions, with 2 positions in, you'll see that they're charging me 3 plus 6, so 4 pips. And look at that, that thing is jumping up. Oh, I'm so excited, gosh. So that means I'm down 6 pips right off the top for entering 2 positions. So I'm not down by much. That's the whole point. Okay, so I'm just explaining that. Look at that, look at that. Oh my God, that's just gorgeous. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Didn't I say I wanted it to come right up about into that area? Let me hit it one more good time. One more good one. One more goodie. One more again, as my grandmother used to say, and my mama. Okay, boom, got him. All right, so as you can see, now I'm in 3 positions. Okay, 3 good ones. And at that point, I don't really think I need my pendings anymore, so I'll probably get rid of the pendings. All right, maybe I'll leave them there. We'll see. Because based on what I'm seeing, this thing is going to cross through anyway and pick up my pending orders as well. So I'll be sitting in maybe 4 positions, something like that. So looking sexy to me. Anyway, I'm going to bed. I'm going to pause this video and, we'll see what happens in the morning. But, I like what I'm looking at. Okay, so I'll pause this video. Okay, you guys, sorry. I said I was going to bed, but I'm glad I stayed a few minutes. Did I not tell you guys? Did I not tell you? Slant pattern, it was going to do what? Oh my God, I teach this week after week after week after week after week in class. Now you guys are seeing live what I teach in class to the students. Students, you should already know exactly what I'm looking at. You know this like the back of your hand. So I'm going to hit them again. There we go. All right. And I'm not worried about these upside down pips because, again, the broker is charging 3 pips, basically 4 pips. So 4 times 4 equals 16, right? So, and then it's wiggling around by a few pips. So again, that's not a big deal. So when you first enter a trade, if you're brand new and you don't know this, you're going to always be negative first when you enter a trade because the broker gets their spread. Plus it's going to wiggle it, shake its butt around for a little bit. And therefore, that's that. But I also see a flag pattern, and I'll teach this in class, you guys. But no, don't worry about it. Slant pattern going this way, slant pattern going that way. Guess what? Ooh-wee. I can't wait for this one. Okay. But by the way, I'm going to get this out the way. This is the scanner just firing off signals. Oh my God. Look at there. Signals. It's just firing them off. All right. But anyway, we'll do another video for that. But look at this. It's just spitting them out, telling you, hey, it's ready to go. It's ready to go. All right. So I'll pause this and we'll come back in the morning. Alrighty, you guys, and that's the ball game. I closed at one position. I woke up and rolled over and saw my money was there. Remember, I had 4 positions, actually 5 of them. Closed out one and I said, oh, I forgot to finish up the recording on the video, so I'm gonna close it out. This is a Friday, and you can see the date right here, December 12th. I'm sorry, December 11th, and I'm gonna close it out because I see that it has hit my green zone and also a real strong support level. There we go. So what do? We do not be greedy. Take our money and enjoy it for the weekend. All right, you guys. So I called it from beginning to end, from the pullback all the way to the drop. So here's proof that our system works. But more importantly, as you can see, this was beautiful, that was beautiful. More important than just the indicator itself, what I'm trying to show you guys is, and I'm going to close out my money while I'm talking to you. What I'm trying to show you guys is you also need, which is the biggest missing piece of all, you also need to learn the movements of the market. Because too many people are trying to buy indicators and thinking the indicators are all you need in life. But in essence, let me see something here. Yeah, I'm closing all this out. And it's going into the weekend too. So let me close that out. Oh, you need more than just indicators. You need knowledge. So I'm trying to help you guys understand. Get the knowledge, and then you'll be able to receive the pips. Okay, so purchase the system, but more importantly, after you purchase the indicators, make sure that you go through the tutorials, and inside the tutorial, there's a button going to be saying class printouts. Print that out, and inside the manual, you'll see the class schedule, so I can teach you how to read the charts. Okay? All right. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you on Tuesday after you purchase the system. Thank you.